guys feeling? Ready?
Group shot!
Okay, here we go.
You guys ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, push! Push! Let's hear it for him! Good job! Sean, you're my hero, Sean. Larry's the last one in still.
That's a short one. Oh my God. Nice job.
The water is cold. The people were fun. We had a great day. Good fundraiser for Paradise.
All right. Thank you, Larry.
My name's Austin Stuckey Boudreaux. I'm a soon-to-be State Farm agent here in Angola. I live a mile up the road, enjoying this fine Indiana weather. It's supposed to be raining tomorrow, but hasn't rained on our parade yet.
Go ahead.
I'm Austin Lucas, lived here my whole life, and the first time I've ever been in the water in wintertime like this.
To say the least.
So you had the flip this year. Last time you did the dive, right?
Yeah, did a dive last time, went with the front roll this time. I tried getting my partner in crime to do a back roll, but said no practice. No practice. Yeah, we'll be ready next time.
And you had a good sense of timing too, of when to do it. Everybody seemed to be getting out, and then you guys jumped in.
Show's over. We waited until the crescendo. You got to have a big bang.
Yeah.
You know, the finale, if you will. Well, we aim to please. We hope you aim too, please.